All right, let me show you how you can run LinkedIn ads within just 10 minutes. This is one of the dreaded topic among everyone. Everybody always go for meta ads. If you don't go for meta ads, people always go for TikTok ads. But LinkedIn is actually giving quality leads. These are where we have connections. Do you know there are some people that are saying that even on Meta, you can see bastardized information. Somebody can tell you that is in New York, whereas he's sitting right at the bottom. But on LinkedIn, everybody is there to connect, to give out their real information. I'm not saying LinkedIn is that clean, but for you that you're interested in running adverts on LinkedIn, let me show you how you can run your LinkedIn ads very fast. All right, let me share my screen so that we can do this together. Now, all you need to do is that you need to have your LinkedIn account. There's one more thing that you need to do that people don't know. People don't know that you need a LinkedIn page to run LinkedIn ads. It's not enough that you have LinkedIn accounts. You cannot run ad with normal LinkedIn account. You need to have a LinkedIn page. Now, let me go to my own LinkedIn now so that we can see how to run it. All right. All right, I'm on it already. So now, as I was saying, you need to have a LinkedIn page to run LinkedIn ads. Now, how can you create a LinkedIn page? Now, from this side, I believe we have the same thing on this screen. So just come to this for business. Click on this drop down button. For business, you are going to see create a company page. You can see this is where you can start. So from here, you can click on create a company page and you fill the form. Within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you are done, because all this one is just for you to fill the form and create the page. Just pick whatever suits your own company or whatever suits your profile. Then your page is ready. Now, how can you now run LinkedIn ads once you have your page ready? For today, I might not be able to explain all the objectives, but I'm going to show you how to set up your LinkedIn ad account and get it ready to run LinkedIn ads. Now, you just navigate to this side that we have advertise. You can see advertise here. Click on this advertise. Once you click on this advertise, once you have a page, everybody have what is called campaign manager. Now, once you come here, all you need to do is just create an account. You create campaign manager for yourself. Now, by doing this, you just click on create account, fill the page, fill your informations, like the name you want to give your ad account. Pick the right currency, but I will advise you that you stick with US dollar, that's dollar, as payment. You can use even your Nigerian MasterCard for this payment, or you can use other virtual cards available for this payment. And in this LinkedIn page is going to bring out all the pages that you have created. You can see these are all my own pages. Then I can just choose one. That is if you have already created the account. If you have not, you might not be able to do this. So ensure that you start by creating a page before coming to where you're going to create ad manager. Then agree to this agreement. Then click on what? Save. It's going to start setting up. You can see it's setting up ad account for me. Now, this is my campaign manager. Just like you have Meta Ads Manager, another ad manager, this is LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So this is where you're not going to choose the objective you want to use to run the ad. Though I'm not going to do this now. In the next video, if you want me to continue, you can drop it in the comment section that you want me to show you how to set a proper advert. Today, we are looking at how to set up the ad account so that you can have an ad account they are going to use to run the adverts. So in my next video, you can let me know in the comment section which objective you want us to do first. Is it the website visit? Is it engagement or brand awareness? Though there's need for me to explain each objectives and what they work for, because there are some objectives that work for generating lead, and this lead are what you actually need on LinkedIn, especially LinkedIn form, whereby people are going to supply their information and you are going to follow up based on the information they give to you. Now, let me just choose create later so that we can proceed to the campaign manager. We are setting up our ad account. Now, this is the campaign manager is ready. But there's something, if you look at the top, I have on hold, which means you must connect a card to this campaign manager before you can run adverts. So where are you going to connect the card? I might not connect my card because of security reasons, but I'm going to show you where you're going to connect card. You just come to billing. You can see this is my billing. Now, and I will click on what? Add payment details. Then I'll fill my card details here. Once I fill the information here and I click on save, this on hold will change to active, which means I can now run adverts. So in my next video now, I'm going to be showing you how you can now start running the adverts, the kind of objective you can choose, and how you can go about it. So drop a comment in the comment section so that I can know which one we are going to go with first. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.